How do I check in for my flight online?
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to check in for your flight online. Checking in online is a convenient and time-saving option that many airlines offer. So, let's get started and learn how to check in for your flight right from the comfort of your own home.
Creating an account.
The first step in checking in for your flight online is to create an account on the airline's website. Most airlines provide an option to register for an account, which allows you to access your booking information and perform various tasks, including online check-in. To create an account, you will typically need to provide your personal details, such as your name, email address, and sometimes your frequent flyer number. Once you have created your account, you can proceed to the next step.
Locating the online check-in option.
Now that you have an account, you need to locate the online check-in option on the airline's website. This can usually be found in the Manage Booking or My Trips section. Look for a tab or link that specifically mentions online check-in. If you are having trouble finding it, you can try using the website search function and enter online check-in as the keyword. Remember, different airlines may have slightly different website layouts, so it's important to explore and navigate accordingly.
Enter booking details.
Once you have found the online check-in section, you will be prompted to enter your booking details. These details typically include your last name and booking reference or confirmation number. The booking reference or confirmation number can usually be found on your e-ticket or booking confirmation email. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any issues.
Selecting passengers and seats.
After entering your booking details, you will be presented with a list of passengers associated with the booking, especially if you are traveling with others. Select the passengers you wish to check in for and proceed to the next step. Some airlines also allow you to choose your seats during the online check-in process. If seat selection is available, you will usually see a seat map displaying the available seats. You can then choose your preferred seats by clicking on the corresponding seats on the map.
Additional options and services.
During the online check-in process, airlines may provide additional options and services for you to consider. These may include purchasing extra baggage allowance, upgrading your seat, or adding special meal requests. Take your time to review these options and select any that are relevant to your needs. Be aware that some services may come with an additional cost.
Review and confirmation.
Before finalizing your check-in, it's important to review all the details you have entered. Make sure your personal information, flight details, and any selected options are correct. This is also a good time to verify your travel documents, such as your passport expiration date. Once you are satisfied with everything, click on the Confirm or Check In button to complete the process. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to check in for your flight online. Remember, online check-in is a convenient option that saves you time at the airport and allows you to choose your preferred seats in advance. By following these steps, you can easily check in for your flight from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching, and have a great trip.